Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can switch between standby screens on the iPhone 15 series. Now, if you haven't turned on standby feature yet, you need to go into settings to do so. So let's first we go to the settings screen. So from your home screen, go into settings. In settings, scroll down, then tap on standby and tap on the standby toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, put your phone into standby mode, and in order for you to do that, you need to plug your phone into a charger, or it can be a wireless charger too, and then have your phone standing sideways like so. And here I will lock it, and on your lock screen, just wait for a few moments and your phone should go into standby mode. Okay, once it is in standby mode, to switch between your standby screens, all you have to do is swipe left or right, and this will allow you to switch between your standby screens. Now, there are three different standby screens that you can switch to. The first one and the default one are the dual panel or the dual widget panel. So this will allow you to change the left or the right widget. In here you can touch and hold into the widget, and then in here you can add in additional widgets. So I just wanted to see if I can add in some. The add button is disabled. Maybe it's already have too many widgets added, so I'm going to remove some. Alright, once I remove some widgets in here, I can tap on the add button, and this will allow me to add in some more widgets. So go down here and look for the widgets that you want to add. So here we've got the weather widgets, so we can add that one in. Daily forecast, so we can add that. So tap on add widget, and then tap on done. And here in the dual widget panel, you can cycle through your different widgets by simply swiping up and down. And the next screen is your digital photo frames or your picture display. So in here you can swipe up and down to view different pictures within that photo album. If you want to edit the photo album, all you have to do is simply touch and hold onto that photo screen, and then in here you can go down and cycle through your different albums, or you can tap on the add button, and in here you can select an album from your photo library. Now, depending on how many albums you have on your device, yours will look different to mine. And that's it. So tap on done, and on the last screen is your predefined clock. So in here there are a number of different clocks that you could choose. You can touch and hold onto that. This will allow you to go into an edit mode. In here you can then switch between the different clock. You can also customize how the clock will look. And for example, if you tap on this button here, you can pick a color from the color palette, and this will allow you to customize the look of your clock. And again, tap on done, so you can swipe up and down to switch between the different clocks within your standby screen. And that's it. So in summary, there are three different screens that you could use in standby mode. So your double widget panel, your picture display, and your predefined clock that you can switch between. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.